Bob's Fix-It Shop, old faucet edition. So here we can see it dripping, and you see the big stain it makes down here from the dripping. But yeah, because we have a lot of iron in our water, so I'll have to clean that up. But yeah, so let's get this thing fixed. So the first thing we're going to want to do is turn our water off. Turn off both the cold and the hot. And here, and pry the top off. Right. Take our screwdriver. I want to be careful so we don't drop stuff down there. And take this little sleeve off. Okay, so the next we have this little clip right here, and we want to kind of pull this out. Right, and once we get that out, then... Okay, so this has to come out, so I put the screw back in. I think I'm just going to see if I can get it out like this. Okay, there's our cartridge. Yeah, so that's been around for a while. So now I can take this in, and I'll just take it in with me to the hardware store and get another one. So I'm at the hardware store and I'm just kind of looking around. That's what I do, is I bring the valve in, and then I can just kind of look through and find the one I need. And this one looks like a perfect fit. And it's got all the stuff right on it, so that looks good. Okay, so it feels like it's kind of rough in here, like it's got some corrosion buildup. So I just cut myself a stick with a groove in it, and I'm going to try putting some steel wool in there and see if I can get that to clean that up. Because it doesn't feel like it's scratched, it just feels like it's just got crap built up over time. Oh yeah, let's try that. Much nicer. Alright, so now we got it out. Let's clean this up. Many years of crud on there. Alright, so here's our part. It was like $17, but it's genuine Moen. And so let's okay, so we just want to make sure that the flat part right here and the flat part right here are lined up with the hole that you put that clip through, this clip here. And we're going to push that in, push that in. In fact, I think we can use this to do that. Okay, and then put that on top of there, and then A little washer on. Tighten that up. And time to turn the water back on. Okay, so I took the aerator, as long as I was messing with it anyway, I took the aerator off, took it apart, and soaked it in some vinegar, cleaned it all up. So I think that's going to be working great, so I'll get that on. Well, there it is. Feels really nice. Looks like it could use maybe a better aerator, but cold, hot, perfect. Looks like $1 million. So that's it for Rob's Fix-It Shop. Pretty simple fix. I think it cost me about $16, $17 for that part. I think you could even save a little more if you just replace the O-rings and stuff yourself. But yeah, hopefully it's good for another 20 years of service. So thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe.